Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. If you're a university dean, chancellor, or part of the academic leadership team, you really need to hear this. We are right in the middle of a massive, totally unprecedented disruption in engineering education. I mean, software development as we've always known it, it's fundamentally changing. And honestly, the survival and prestige of your institution depend entirely on how you respond right now. So today, we're going to explore exactly how Deploy Pro AI delivers the transformation you absolutely need to secure your institution's future.
For our agenda today, we're keeping it highly focused. We'll map out the macro shift in software development, confront this brutal talent reset head-on, and then reveal the exact roadmap to make your university a true AI-native powerhouse through our student and faculty solutions. Section 1, the AI paradigm shift. Let's look at the undeniable reality of the enterprise market right now. This right here is the defining question every single academic leader has to ask themselves today. Are you AI native yet? Because I can promise you, the top enterprises recruiting your students are already asking this exact question.
Think about this number for a second. A staggering 90% of software development professionals are already using AI at work. Google's Dora report backs this up completely. Businesses are going all in on AI, pouring in record investments simply because the productivity gains are just way too massive to ignore. The traditional way we think about coding is literally being rewritten at an exponential pace.
To put that into perspective, coding has become AI's very first true killer use case. It instantly transformed into a $4 billion market. We're seeing 5x growth as these tools evolve from basic autocomplete features into fully autonomous development agents. The entire enterprise world is fundamentally changing how they build products.
Section 2, the talent reset reality. Let's talk about what this means for your bottom line as an institution.
Notice this stark, honestly kind of frightening contrast in the market right now. On one hand, we have a total hiring collapse. India's top 5 IT firms just saw a 99.9% drop in net hiring, shedding nearly 7,000 jobs. But then, look at the other side, the AI mandate. The tech sector is projecting 380,000 brand new AI roles. And get this, for every 10 open generative AI engineering positions, there is only one qualified candidate out there. Top recruiters are totally done hiring legacy coders. They demand day one AI native builders. This is the ultimate pain point for universities right now. Your traditional placement pipelines are drying up fast, while this massive new pipeline is just sitting there completely empty. Section 3, the structural education gap. This is exactly where the disconnect happens.
Right now, there's a critical gap. On one side, education is struggling without industry-aligned AI readiness programs. On the flip side, the industry is seeing opportunities for traditional skills shrink while their talent bar just keeps rising. This is where Deploy Pro AI comes in as your game changer. We sit right in the middle. Our whole mission is delivering real-world enterprise practice, not just dusty theory, to both your students and your faculty, bridging this divide before your institutional opportunities shrink any further.
You know, it's absolutely vital to understand what the industry actually wants here. They do not want what people are calling vibe coders, folks who just casually type prompts into an AI. No way. They desperately need day one builders who can engineer with AI in a fully secured, tightly controlled way. They need graduates who understand the Cloud Security Alliance, who know all about supply chain attacks, and who can build the strict OWASP Gen A security standards. That's the high bar of the new enterprise reality.
Section 4, Student Industry Readiness. Let's see how we actually build this highly sought-after talent.
We solve this student talent gap through our AI Native Engineering Bootcamp. It's a rigorous, proven sequence. We kick things off with an 8-hour L1 AI Kickstart just to get them exposed. Then in L2 Foundations, they build a full-stack AI application over 16 hours. Next, we elevate them in L3 Advanced. And finally, they hit L4 Champion, where they spend up to 64 hours engineering production-grade, multi-agent enterprise systems. It is literally a zero-to-hero transformation.
The outcomes of this bootcamp? Absolutely exceptional. Your students get to choose from over 55 enterprise-grade projects across various sectors. And they aren't just learning theory. They are using the exact same real-world AI tools enterprises use, like Cursor, Claude Code, and Copilot. But here is the real game changer for your pitch to prospective students and parents. We offer a 100% placement guarantee for the top 10% of students in this program. We firmly stand by the caliber of the AI native talent we help you produce.
Section 5, our faculty development program, because students are really only half the equation.
You absolutely cannot build an AI native institution without empowering your educators first. Our faculty development program, which, by the way, is fully AICTE eligible, completely transforms your professors. It's not some boring one-off workshop. It's a structured, ongoing journey from basic AI awareness all the way up to true institutional leadership, ensuring your faculty can confidently guide the next generation.
We partner directly with your faculty to deliver massive results. We get them up to Level 1 AI fluency using our Traffic Light model. We bring deep, noise-free enterprise AI research directly into your institute. We provide continuous skills gap intelligence so your curriculum never falls behind recruiter demand. And we even partner on joint applied AI research in really high-value areas, like AI safety in banking and finance.
Section 6. The Deploy Pro AI Difference. Let's wrap up with why this is the definitive choice for your university.
When you put us side by side with other programs, the difference is just night and day. Others give you generic theory, basic completion certificates, and one-time faculty workshops. Honestly, that doesn't fix your hiring gap. What we deliver at Deploy Pro AI is totally different. We bring the actual tools enterprises use right now. We bring an AI curriculum modeled on MIT and Stanford standards so your students build recruiter-ready portfolios. We offer 100% hands-on, production-grade project experience with real guardrails. Ultimately, we build sustained centers of excellence so your institution becomes completely self-sufficient.
So I'll leave you with this final thought. In a totally brutal hiring market where the old rules of legacy coding are basically dead, will your institution stand out by producing the secure, enterprise-ready AI talent that the market is begging for? Or will you risk irrelevance as the talent gap just gets wider and wider? Deploy Pro AI is your exact blueprint to become the institute of choice for this AI-native era. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I really encourage you to take that next step in transforming your university today.